Worship together, unity in spirit. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, worship together. This is not just a phrase. It's an expression of unity, spirituality, and community. Let's dive into what it truly means to worship together and why it's such a powerful experience. Before we talk about worshiping together, let's understand what worship means. Worship is an act of religious devotion usually directed towards a deity. It's a way to show reverence and adoration. For many, worship is not just a ritual, it's a heartfelt expression of their faith and beliefs. Now, let's add the word together. Together means being with others, not alone. When we worship together, we're not just individuals, we become part of something bigger. It's about community, sharing, and supporting each other in our faith journey. Worshipping together takes many forms across different cultures and religions. It can be a serene gathering in a church, a vibrant ceremony in a temple, or a peaceful prayer in a mosque. Despite the differences in how it's practiced, the core essence remains the same, coming together in faith and spirit. Worshipping together has profound benefits. It creates a sense of community and belonging. It allows individuals to share their faith and draw strength from one another. It's not just about spiritual upliftment. It's also about forming deep, meaningful connections with others. Engaging in worship together can be simple. It starts with an open heart and a willingness to connect. Whether it's attending a service, joining a prayer group, or participating in a religious festival, the key is to be present and receptive. In today's fast-paced world, worshiping together holds even more significance. It's a way to pause, reflect, and reconnect not just with our faith but with each other. It's a reminder that in the midst of our busy lives, we can find peace and solace in togetherness. Thank you for joining me today to explore the beautiful concept of worshiping together. Remember, when we worship together, we're not just strengthening our faith, we're also reinforcing the bonds of our community. I hope this video inspires you to find your own ways to connect and worship together. Until next time, stay blessed and connected.